I'm Melinda with Melinda Howard Art. Thank you so much for joining me on my brand new YouTube channel. My art journey started about 20 years ago. I started drawing with graphite and with charcoal, a lot of portraits, and I loved it, and I still love it. I loved having the control. I loved the realism that I could get, but I also really admired artwork that was abstract, that was loose, and I wanted to do the same thing. But I couldn't really achieve that with that medium. But painting kind of intimidated me. I wasn't sure that I could get the colors that I wanted, so I kind of shied away from it for a lot of years. Then several years ago, I picked up my first watercolor palette, and I was in love with it. I was in love with how it splattered, how it bloomed when you put it on the paper, how it mixed together with the other colors. I was just so inspired by it. And with a lot of practice, quite a lot of practice, and with learning a lot from generous artists on YouTube who taught about their techniques, their tools, what worked, what didn't work, I really got into painting. And then I also discovered alcohol inks, which were very similar to watercolor in the technique where it blooms out and you could be really expressive and loose with it, but you could use it on a different kind of surface, a non-porous surface rather than a porous surface with watercolor. Also, you use alcohol, of course, instead of water. So after learning quite a lot of tips and techniques from other artists, I started developing my own style. I mostly paint birds. I really absolutely love birds. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I really love them. They're colorful. There's such a variety of them.
I think there's like 16,000 something bird species, and they're funny, they fly, they sing, they're so light and fun and happy.
I just really love them, and I love painting them. And so my goal for this channel is to be what other artists were for me on YouTube. I want to be a help to you. I want to show you my techniques. I want to show you the tools that I use and what works for me and what doesn't work for me. And whether you're a beginner or an artist who just wants to be inspired, I really hope that this channel helps you. Subscribe to my channel, and you can hit the notification bell so that you'll know whenever I put a new video on the channel. Also, if a video helps you, hit the like button, which is the thumbs up, and comment so I'll know that that video was helpful to you, or if you have other content you'd like to see. I'm really excited to be a part of your art journey, and I really hope that this channel will be a help to you like those others were to me. Thank you so much. God bless.